Land Rover Discovery 3. It's a diesel V6, and changing the air conditioning compressor. They're about 22 grand nearly from the dealer, and to change that you gotta take this fan, viscous fan, you gotta take the fan shroud, few coolant hoses down there, air intake pipe, which is the most challenging job on this, and compressor sits down there, right there, but you can't even see it from the top. You can't even touch it. So we're gonna have to pull this whole mud guard of this passenger side so you can sort of see what's going on in there. I had to take the heat sealed. There's 3 of them, one still there loose, 2 already took them out. You can get to the bolts. It's not easy, but you can sort of get around the bolts through this hole here. From underneath you can't see nothing because it's got a 4-wheel drive diff on the road. And this you gotta take this intake pipe off of this turbo in that hole there. You can hardly see, but not enough light here. Then you gotta take this turbo pipe that goes from that joint there to your intercooler at the front. I'm gonna take this coolant hose. It's a steel pipe and a bit of a rubber hose that runs from the front of the car, front of the engine, down that hole there and goes towards around that attachment at the corner there. Looks like a thermostat housing. I'm not quite sure, I haven't really looked in detail, but yeah. So you gotta take that out, and mate, this is a challenge, and you still cannot see the compressor. And obviously you gotta take the bolts out and belts off, and you know there's 3 bolts holding the compressor. You can hardly see where it sits, but you sort of have an idea in that space there. The repair guide gives you about 4 hours to do this job, and no way on earth you can get this done for less than 10 hours or more. Yeah, I got lied about the hours until I actually got the job. But anyone who wants to attempt it at home, or try it themselves, or even a mechanic shop, I wouldn't go near this car for less than 2 grand just in labor. Thanks.